A new student, a new student named with Arjun joined a college. Okay, for the college, he joined a college. He was intelligent, but after 1 month, he still had no close friends. After 1 month, even 1 month got completed, but still no close friends are there in that college. Okay, why? Every day he talked only about every day. If he is meeting any person, he's always going to talk about, my school, what about his school days, what about his marks, what about his achievements. He's keep on telling about himself. People listen politely, but nobody became close to him. What is the problem with this person? You respond. What is the problem with this person? Now you can understand the problem, right?
Yes, sir. He used I.
He's always telling, my marks, I was the school first, I was the college first, I achieved that award, that prize I got, this prize I got, that. He's always telling, we have car, my grandfather only had the car, or we have 100 acres land, something, dot. Arey, he's always talking about himself. Then automatically how the friends are going to are going to become close men. Then what happened is people listen politely, but nobody became close to him. One day, his professor gave him a small challenge. His professor gave him a small challenge. For the next 7 days, don't talk much about yourself. Don't talk much about yourself. So instead, learn every classmate's name. Every classmate name, learn about every classmate name. Ask about their dreams. Ask about their hometown. Ask about their hobbies, ask about their achievements, ask about their goals. Okay, like so don't talk about yourself. Always listen. Always talk about opposite person. Ask them to tell. Then Arjun accepted this challenge. Okay. So within 1 week, he knew everyone's name. Everyone's name. He remembered birthdays. He remembered birthdays. Okay, you asked her, how was your interview? How is your mother's health? Did you win your cricket match? Did you win your cricket match? Like this person talking about themselves instead of himself. Suddenly, everyone started calling him. They invited him for lunch. They included him in projects. So, just nothing about Arjun changed. Only his interest in others changed. Only, just instead of talking about himself, he's talking about opposite person. Then obviously, the total thing got changed. So, remember the names. Ask about the people. Listen more than you speak. Listen more than you speak. Do you know how many years are there?
Two.
Ayo. How many years are there, man? Two.
Two.
How many mouths are there?
One.
One.
Why? Why?
We should listen more and talk less.
We should listen more. Double we require to listen than talking. Remember that. But the problem is, we are always giving less work for this. We are always giving more work for this. Nore mota padadara bhai. He won't stop talking. He's keep on talking only. He never interested to listen. Listener, the best person. So if you want listening is a wonderful ability, man. The opposite person should tell, Are, ఇంకా చెప్పటానికి నా దగ్గర ఏమి లేదురా. Whatever I know, I told everything. I don't know. From my side, I told everything. Nothing is remaining. Until that, you have to listen. Remember. Okay? So
Yeah,
remember
we have
their
to
names.
open mouth to ask questions.
Yes, only questions. Only questions. You have to encourage them to talk more. Okay, he's telling, Are, in 10th class, something happened. Oh, in 10th class, in which year? That thing, again, he has to tell. For that only, you record open the mouth. Simple. By telling your achievement, by telling your story already you know. What is the need of telling to other? If the other person is asking, then you can tell. That in the brief way. Not again, started. He's going to stop after 3 to 4 hours only. Like, don't.